All right, children, the time now is 7:30. Let's begin lesson, all right? Let's begin lesson. And again, today, right, is the same rules as last week. All right, Yuan Xuan, last week you never joined us, right? Hey, you did, ah? I never, yeah, lah, yeah, lah. All right, so last week, Yuan Xuan never joined us, but it's okay. All right, so just to let you know, Yuan Xuan, my name is Ben Ong. I'm the lead teacher of 88 Tuition. If you got see some of my video recordings, that's me, lah, right? So I'm the one that is the younger version, but now after a few years, I look a bit older already, lah. Anyway, that's not important. All right, so today's lesson, right, is actually a head start to P6 mathematics. It's not really a math problem. All right, it's not really a math problem sums. It's more on a logic and reasoning kind of questions. So just take it today as like an enrichment lesson. All right, no stress, no pressure, no homework, guarantee you. All right. So we will be having a later like a competition like that. All right. So there will be about 20 over questions. All right. We see how many questions can we do. All right. If we can do 15, we do 15. Right. If we can do 22, we do 22 questions. We just see how many questions we can cover by 9 o'clock. All right. And guess what? All right, the winner, the one who got the most tick, the one which got the most correct answer will be given a prize. And the prize is actually a $5 popular e-voucher. All right, so I already purchased the popular vouchers from Popular already. You know Popular Bookshop, right? I hope that you're in Singapore. All right, so you can actually use the this Popular voucher, go to Singapore and try to redeem the voucher. All right, and just to let you know that this voucher is not from 88 Tuition. 88 Tuition do not have any incentive program. It's actually from my own pocket. All right, so try to win. All right, try to win. All right, if there's a tie, right, both of you got the same number of correct answers, then both of you will get it. All right, so you all know the rules. Okay, let's move on. Woohoo! All right, so let's have some fun, all right? Okay, but before that, right, can I get you ladies, all right, all ladies, to try to annotate on my screen? All right, can you please choose a box? All right, you all know the starting, right? Okay, the Mai. All right, so Xuan Xuan is down here, top left. All right, the Mai, okay. All right, Yuan Xuan. Woohoo, Yuan Xuan, are you there? Yuan Xuan, can you try to annotate on my screen, please? Can you choose a box and put your name down there? Can you try to annotate? Do you know how to annotate? Okay, can you please try to annotate? Very nice. All right, so you not only do you know how to annotate, you know how to type also. Very good, Yuan Xuan. All right, so later, right, Yuan Xuan, you have to look for your name and you have to look at the question, and after that you will be able to answer the question, right? You try to annotate on yourself. All right, you try to annotate on the screen. So the annotation will be on for you guys to write down your answer. The reason is because, right, sometimes the student think that I was trying to help other student. All right, so usually I ask them to go to the chat to type in the answer. All right. So in order to be fair, right, everybody write down your own answer. Then at least, right, at least you all know that I'm not helping anybody. All right, it's a pure little competition. All right. Okay, come. Are you ready now, Yuan? Okay, let's begin. Okay, so again, right, the first question is a little bit only, a little bit math related. All right, just a little bit. All right, so you can take your time to answer. Don't rush. All right, don't look at your friend's answer and confuse yourself. Maybe your friend's answer is wrong. All right, so you trust yourself, read the question properly. All right, if you need a calculator, use your calculator. All right, check this out. Go to your box and write in the answer. Okay, go to your own box and write in, annotate your answer. Oh, uh, Tamiya? Oh yeah, don't have. Okay, your name is not there. I'm so sorry because I think you just I think it's the last minute, right? I think so. I'm so sorry. Can you try to use this orange box for now? Can? All right. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry.
Spelled my name wrong.
Oh wait. TH. A-N. Sorry. So sorry. Okay. All right, so all the orange boxes, right, are yours, huh? The next slide also. Hey, hello, Sophia, Yifan. Hey, hello. My name is Bern Ong from 88 Tuition. All right, so we are actually having a little game, all right, relating to something called logic and reasoning thinking. All right, no stress, no stress. All right, so just try your best, look at the question. And do you know how to annotate, Sophia? Do you know how to annotate on my screen? Can you try? Can you try to use the annotation key and go to your name? Your name is here, right? And give the answer. All right, no stress, huh? All right, if you really don't know how to annotate, all right, you can actually go to the chat and type in the answer for me. All right, do you know where's the chat? All right, so I'm going to drop you a hello. You see in the chat? Okay. All right, so you can, if you can annotate, will be the best. All right, if you cannot annotate, don't worry about it. Go to the chat and type in your answer. Okay. Wow, seriously, we have all ladies today, man. Good job. All right, and Sophia, just to let you know, I told the class just now that this week, right, we are having this little game. All right. Of course, if there's a game, there will be a prizes, right? So the prize, the winner will actually get a $5 e-voucher from me. All right, it's not from 88 Tuition. 88 Tuition do not have any incentive programs. All right, so you just try. All right, do your best and try to get a voucher. Okay, Sophia, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. All right, so Sophia, she typed 2 inside the chat. All right, Yuan Xuan also write 2. Xuan Xuan also write 2. Tamiya, the Mai, sorry, also write 2. So sorry. Okay, so the correct answer is actually 2. Good job, children. All right, look, see, one heart and one circle cookie, right, is like $7. Hey, so isn't this like the same? So in math concept, right, we call this repeated identity. Correct or not? All right, because they are repeated. All right, or to make it simple, we say same, same lah. All right, same, same. All right, so this portion must be a 7. Oh, but this line shows that what? All right, the waffle plus 7 must give you the like $9 like that. That means the waffle must be 9 minus 7, $2. And that's how you get the answer too. Good job. All right, so every one of you got it. Very good. All right, so Sophia, I just give you a box down here, Ken. Okay, so everybody got a first question correct. That will give you 1 tick. Right, am I missing somebody's name? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, so that is how it will go. All right, it will be quite simple. Don't worry about it. Okay, so the next question, right, I need to explain a little bit. Can? Okay, come. So the question say that the labels are false. The label. What's the meaning of label? All right, this word label actually means like the title. All right, the title. The title. So the question say that this title, right, is incorrect. This title is incorrect. This title is incorrect. All right. If they are incorrect, right? If the label, if the title are incorrect, how are you going to position the 3 colors into the right place? All right. So how do you answer the question? Maybe you can say B1, A2, C3. So your answer will be A2, B1, C3. All right. You can annotate or you can actually type into the chat. All right. Do you all understand? You understand the question? Can? All right. If you understand, you all can actually go to you can try to annotate, right? But if you think that the handwriting is very hard to write using your mouse, right, you can try to type it out like just now. Yuan Xuan, I think she typed it out. Or you can go to the chat and write it in. I'll write in the answer for you. Okay, once again, don't rush, huh? Oh, okay. You should understand that. Okay, okay. So for example, look. All right. So for example, if you go to the shopping mall, if you go to the shopping mall, all right. Oh, you see this symbol. You see this symbol. All right. All right. Or maybe you see the word mere, female. I'm talking about a toilet in a shopping mall. All right. If you go to the shopping mall, you see the label mere and female. Okay. For example, the shopping mall, the toilet. And below the mirror, right, you see a stick man like that. Correct, correct. And under the female, you see a stick girl like that. Correct, correct. So it means that what? It means that, right, the picture and the label, right, this is called the label. They match. Label match. All right, label matches. So this is correct. All right, this is correct. But this question, right, a little bit irritating. They are saying that this label is incorrect. Right, this label here or the title is incorrect because they are false. So how are you going to allocate the right color into the right circle? Okay, read the question a couple of times. Shen, I see your answer. Let me just write in your answer. All right, again, don't rush, and yeah, trust yourself, right? Because sometimes your friend's answer might not be correct. Actually, most of the time. All right, so you have to trust yourself. Okay, Shen's answer is up already. The Mai, I saw your answer also. Yuan Shen, I see your answer. Yuan Shen, you cannot have like, okay, Yuan Shen, you must have like a B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Right? You cannot have A and C having 1. Understand or not? Oh, you want to check your answer, Yuan Shen? Yeah, because everyone must have only a location. All right, and it's okay to use a rough paper to figure out. Okay, no problem. All right, if you don't need to use your calculator, if you need to use rough paper, go ahead. All right, there's no rules one. Okay, just try your best. Okay, Yuan Shen, I see your answer. Let me write in for you. And Sophia, I saw your answer also. A3B2C1. Okay, it seems like everyone, right, have the same answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me do the explanation. Look here. So the question said the labels are false. So all these titles are not correct. All right, this is not correct, this is not correct, and this is not correct. All right, so the title is not correct. So this one means what? It's not red. Understand or not? It's not red.